According to Kevin O'Leary, the Shiba Inu population will reach 75,000 by the year 2023. If you're looking for a cryptocurrency with strong market backing, Shiba Inu is one among the options. You found the channel for the wealthy coin. See this video through to the finish, and if you enjoy it, hit the like button and subscribe button. You can see the current value of the Shiba Inu for today on the screen, and the total trading volume for the past 24 hours is 112,207,074 USD. In the past day, the price of a Shiba Inu has dropped by $3.07. Even if the market structure was neutral at the time of publishing, SHIB was likely on the home stretch of a structural breakthrough. The breakout may signal upward momentum. The RC Relative Strength Index, in particular, has risen over its neutral 50 level. This indicated a minor uptick in buying demand after a period of declining activity. Rose's Cash Flow Index also rose from the oversold region's bottom to its neutral midpoint. This pointed to a large accumulation having occurred. As a result, SHIB can hit the bullish goal $160.03 if the moderate positive momentum strengthens and the stop breaks above the triangle. However, Kempf pulled back from the higher level, stopping at zero as the bird's cash flow. Therefore, traders should monitor the ETH price as it approaches the zero threshold. This could be an indication of a bearish trend reversal. While core developers Satoshi Kusama and Trophies, as well as the Shiba Inu ecosystem, have teased the introduction of the Siberian Layer 2 blockchain, the price of Shiba Inu coins has been gaining steam as Ethereum whales buy up large quantities of them. People in the neighborhood anticipate a dramatic increase in SHIB, burn, and chain utility in the year 2023. On January 3rd, Shiba Inu burn tracker Shibani tweeted about a dramatic spike in the token burn rate. For the past 24 hours, a total of 182,339,090 SHIB tokens have been destroyed. 11 transactions deducted a significant number of Shiba Inu tokens from the market, contributing to the enormous spike in the SHIB burn. The rate of burning and the volume of transactions on the Shinburn website have both been rising dramatically over the past few days. A total of 159,458,411,895 SHIB tokens were destroyed across 13 separate transactions on January 2nd. On December 31st, an address sent 297,290,339 SHIB tokens to the burn address, increasing the burn rate by 13,198. The return of whales heralds the early 2023 Siberian launch. Sometime in the last day, the unknown address sent another 73,996,550 SHIB tokens to the burn address. According to the Whale Stats database, the Shiba Inu token is the most frequently purchased Ethereum whale token. In addition, among the top Ethereum whales, Shiba Inu has been the most popular smart contract once again in the past day. For this reason, the last few days have seen an increase in both construction and whale sightings at Shiba Inu. Speculation arose in January 2020 when Shiba Inu main developer Satoshi Kusama released a message on Twitter encouraging Shiba Inu hodlers to give Toshi a try. The letter was ambiguous at best, but it seemed to imply that he had discussed my invisibility with his mentor and that they had come to the conclusion that it would be impossible for me to remain invisible after the year 2022. When asked to summarize, he said that the fun would begin after the secret was out. If you take this at face value, it seems like even introverted Toshi will disclose who he really is. Nevertheless, coming clean about one's identity goes against the grain of convention and forces onlookers to engage in some interpretation. On Christmas Eve, Satoshi promised that Sebastian will be released very soon, implying that its publication may occur as soon as the new year began. Shiba is a solution for scaling Ethereum's second layer, and it's a big deal for making Shiba Inu more than just a mother coin. Included in this is the ability to host metaverse and gaming applications, as well as the release of the QAA stablecoin tied to 1 cent. Multiple articles about Shiba have been discussed in recent blog postings at Shiba Inu ecosystem. The metaverse, focusing especially on concept art reveals of various virtual world locations. In comparison to Bitcoin and Ethereum in May, the yearly loss for the SHIB token stands at 76. Anonymous Yoshi, the creator of the Shiba Inu, suddenly disappeared from the internet, leaving many worried about the future of the project. He has said nothing publicly about it, and his Twitter account is currently dormant. Satoshi wrote a statement to Roch's apparent abandonment of the Shiba Inu lead developer and published it on Medium. Satoshi claimed to be clueless about Roch's absence to calm fears. However, he announced that he would be taking over the project and implementing Yoshi's vision, which includes a SHIB leash, bone tree, Shiba swap Shiba area, the establishment of SHIB gatherings, and, in the distant future, a Shiba can. Dog of the Shiba Inu breed. After a successful 2021, Shiba was recognized as one of the leading cryptocurrencies. Now, almost a century later, it has been lowered by more than 90% from its previous apex. The present price is close to a key level, and I think you ought to pay a little more attention to it because of this. After a brief uptick around the middle of December, the price of SHIB has been stuck in a rut ever since, and it's actually gone down this week. It has performed poorly recently, but is getting closer to a key support level. The price was last in this range towards the end of June, near the low of the market fall. Could this same floor serve as yet another jumping-off point? Given how frequently cryptocurrency prices rebound from significant support levels, this would hardly be unexpected. A similar result is likely for SHIB in the near future, even more so if we take into account a recent notice from Whale Stats. According to data from the 100 largest whales, Shiba Inu has entered the top 10 most traded tokens. This shows that SHIB is still in demand, even at its present price. Just in SHIB token now on top 10 purchased tokens among 2,000 biggest unearthed whales in past 24 hours. Peep the top 100 whales here hat. If you want to see information for the top 2,000, Pepsi and Holds hearts would melt. Distribution analyses of SHIB stocks show that the major account types have generally been building their reserves. Large investors, or whales, have been buying the decline. However, a closer look at the current demand levels reveals that there is limited engagement from the retail sector. For instance, in the final week of December 2022, trading volume was similar to, if not slightly below, historical norms. This could be an indication that the retail sector isn't actively involved. There was a significant drop in the weighted attitude from December 23rd to December 27th, which may explain why fewer individuals participated in the survey. However, it has recovered well over the past 2 days, suggesting that investors are adopting a more positive stance. So far, especially in the previous 24 hours, the whale activity appears to have slowed the negative trend. There was a little, but positive, price increase of at least 2 since the time of publication. In the absence of sufficient liquidity and engagement from whales, an uptick is likely. A modest uptick in the 90-day MBA ratio suggests that recent purchasers at the lows have already made a profit. We appreciate you sticking around to the finish of the video. If you enjoyed it, please hit the like button and subscribe button so you don't miss any future uploads.